Dear Lauren, I can't believe we're getting married today. Our love has grown so much over the past 4 years, and I feel like the luckiest man alive. I'm looking forward to seeing you in a few hours. I know you're going to be the most beautiful bride I've ever seen. I cannot wait to spend every single day and night with you, growing our love and learning more and more about you.
Collin loves Lauren like I've never seen him love anything in his life. And I know that you guys are going to become such a power couple together. Both of you are leaders. You are both so high energy. You're so adventurous. And I can't wait to see what you guys can do together.
I, Collin, take you, Lauren,
to be my wedded wife,
to be my wedded wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
this ring I give you,
in token and pledge,
of our constant faith,
and abiding love. Collin, you may kiss your bride.
I want to grow old with you and build a family with you. I promise to love you with all my heart. I promise to stand by you no matter what. I promise to support you in chasing after your dreams. I promise to grow with you, laugh with you, cry with you, and be faithful to you. Collin Williams, I am ready to be your wife and to begin this new adventure. God has opened and closed doors to lead us to this day, and He will continue to guide us every step of the way for the rest of our lives. I love you more than anything in the world.